Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a sensitive but important topic. Strategies for rebuilding trust after infidelity in a relationship. The first step in rebuilding trust after infidelity is acknowledging the pain and hurt caused by the betrayal. Open and honest communication is essential. Both partners must be willing to share their feelings, fears, and concerns. The partner who engaged in infidelity must take responsibility for their actions and show genuine remorse. Understanding the root cause of the infidelity can help address underlying issues that may have contributed to the breach of trust. Consider seeking professional help, such as couples therapy, to guide the healing process and facilitate effective communication. Rebuilding emotional intimacy requires patience and vulnerability. Both partners must be willing to be emotionally present for each other. Setting clear boundaries can help rebuild trust and provide reassurance for both partners. The partner who engaged in infidelity must demonstrate consistency in their actions and words to rebuild trust. Honesty and transparency are crucial. The partner who strayed must be open about their actions and whereabouts. Forgiveness is a complex process that takes time. The betrayed partner may need to work through their emotions to reach a place of forgiveness. Rebuilding trust takes time. Both partners must be patient and committed to the process. The betrayed partner may need to work on letting go of resentment and moving forward with a positive outlook. Rebuilding the friendship and emotional connection is crucial in regaining trust. While the past cannot be changed, both partners must focus on creating a positive and trusting future together. Ultimately, rebuilding trust after infidelity requires a mutual commitment to the relationship's future and growth. Rebuilding trust after infidelity is undoubtedly challenging, but with open communication, patience, and professional guidance, it is possible. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more relationship tips and advice. Remember, healing is a process, and with dedication, trust can be restored. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.